This is Bengtsonga in essay with Samson Mabasana.
Fumani and Shulubana, Pinjani Perile and Shikani, and Kwasang Zeles. The South African icon Mugula Awards.
Yeah.
That I'm busy working on. At launch next year.
Yeah.
The whole point Ilago want to honor Munu Lembe.
Yeah.
To at least to say as an actor, director, producer, and look acting didn't go unnoticed. So familiar with that and help you celebrate. So that's what I'm busy working on right now, and that's what I'm really focusing and because
that's the business side, right?
That's the business side.
So what's the entertainment side?
Entertainment side, I won't say much.
Yeah.
I can just say Rito Mafanato Ntsena. I won't say much, but kuna series when I won't say mara kuna series nguteni mingabileli batsonga baka ani kuna makale yeso inga fala ka gyani mara ingemi disappoint kuna makale ni ngale ku swekeni stofen lightile bottom bekile mafura mele that's all I can say right now.
Wise man when I balabla with the Showmax and not Netflix. Hey, experience le or logo audition for this international people. There's 4 cameras at
like literally 4. Yeah, and the scene anima solo well, you know, kuna ti camera. No, I asked about the makeup how long to see. I never must one there are 2, I don't know, monitors. Yeah, monitors. Those 2 monitors. I know kuna a director who sees. So look auditioner for those shows. There's literally cameras, full light on. There are boom people. And there's someone reading a line. When you're literally doing a scene, they wanna see this close up, this everything. Even lie and the scene, basically the full scene. That's how they do it. Yes. Oh, Nifika call back. I need to go. No, me now. Well, I did. There's that guy who worked with us again, Josh, the drone guy.
Josh. Oh yeah.
Yeah. So he's also doing a series. Well, I won't say much about it, but I played a lead in a couple of his episodes. So it's like short something. So yes, short films, and there's something SABC Tunyana happening. Mara, we shouldn't talk.
Yeah. Okay, that's I guess I look at there's one of projects. You get a job and then
Mina, I've been doing, I have a passion. I love industrial theatre or applied theatre. So I decided to open a company called Masana Forum. And